Welcome back to Eat Plants Love Kids. I'm Ella.
I'm Josie.
In this video, we are going to be making tortilla chips and guacamole.
Today our recipe is from the Eat Plants Love cookbook. Okay, so for this recipe, the first thing we're going to be doing is cutting 6 corn tortillas into eighths. We picked out these corn tortillas because they are minimally processed and the only ingredients that they contain are white corn, water, and lime. So now I'm going to cut these into eighths. And then I'm going to lay them out on my tray. Now I'm going to pop these in the oven at 375 for 7 to 9 minutes or until they're crispy.
Now we're going to start on the guacamole. So here I have 1 avocado. I have washed it and now I'm going to show you how to cut it. So I'm going to cut all the way around the outside of the avocado, like so. And now I'm going to twist it to open it. Now I'm going to try and pull out the pit. You can either use a spoon or your fingers. And then you're going to take a spoon and you're going to scoop out the green parts. And you're going to put that into a bowl. And then do the other half. And make sure you try and get everything out because you don't want to waste much. Now I'm going to cut the 1 clove of garlic that we have. And all you need to do is really just chop this. And now you're just going to put this into your bowl for later. So here I have my avocado and I'm going to put it into a food processor or a blender, whichever one works. I also have my clove of garlic that I chopped. I'm going to put that in also. Make sure you get all of that in there because it will make for a great taste. Then I have 2 tablespoons of all natural salsa. This also has no oil, so that this makes it a perfect choice. All in there. I also have 2 teaspoons of lime juice. And I have my spices here. I have a pinch of salt, a pinch of pepper. I also have a half a teaspoon of onion powder and a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Now I'm going to place the top on and I'm going to blend this until combined. Now
that the chips are cooked and crispy, I'm going to take them out of the oven so that they can cool. Now that the guacamole is ready and the chips have cooled, it is time to eat.
Thank you for joining us. Come back next time for more delicious whole food plant-based recipes.